This is FET318. Which of the following is the third normal form of the employee table? Here, underlined items indicate a primary key. So for employee table, we have employee number, employee name, and then within curly brackets we have skill code, skill name, and skill years of experience. The curly brackets indicate repetition. For A, we have the primary key, employee number, employee name, the primary key, skill code, skill years of experience, the primary key, skill code, and the skill name. In B, employee number, skill code, employee number, employee name, skill years of experience, and the skill code, skill name. In C, employee number, employee name, skill code, skill name, skill years of experience. In D, employee number, skill code, skill years of experience, employee number, employee name, skill code, skill name. Database normalization is the process of organizing the fields, columns, and the tables relations of a relational database to minimize data redundancy. Normalization involves decomposing a table into less redundant and smaller tables without losing information. Defining foreign keys in the old table, referencing the primary keys of the new one. The objective is to isolate data so that additions, deletions, modifications of an attribute can be made in just one table, then propagated through the rest of the database using the defined foreign keys. Normalization is done in the sequence 1NF, 2NF, 3NF. Firstly, first normal form, 1NF, requires separating the repeated parts into different tables. We then move to the second normal form, or 2NF, which requires tables to be in 1NF and separating fields that are functionally dependent on the part of the composite key from fields that are functionally dependent on the entire composite key. Finally, we move to third normal form, or 3NF. This requires tables to be in 2NF and creating a separate table for data dependent on fields other than the primary key. The structure of D conforms to the conditions of all three normalizations and therefore is the correct answer. On the next slide, we'll explain the other answers. In A, employee name is functionally dependent on employee number only, and employee name has no functional dependency on either skill code or skill years of experience. Thus, condition 2NF has not been satisfied. In this situation, when one employee has multiple skills, the same combination of employee number and employee name is recorded redundantly. B, there is only one item of skill years of experience for each employee, and years of experience for each skill cannot be recorded. C, employee name is functionally dependent on employee number only, and skill name is functionally dependent on skill code only. There is no relation between employee and skill. So the answer was overall D, as this conformed to the 1NF, 2NF, and 3NF standards. Here what we've looked at is the differences of normalization when it's correct and also when it hasn't been met.